Hello, my name is Nolan Engelbrecht and we're here at MarineMax in Osage Beach. Today we're here with the 2018 SDX 270. This boat has a great metallic gel coat on it, beautiful finish. And with the 2018 model, the quick release fender tabs are new, very easy to do. Here on the 270, we have this submersible swim step for easy access in and out of the water. There's a very nice safety feature with this. If this is down, it keeps the engine from starting. That's really nice. Here on the back as well, there is some SeaDek. This is a very soft on the feet. Keeps from getting hot, and it's very non-slip. So that's a really nice feature. And then here on the back as well, we have this nice, spacious sun pad. This is really nice. There's storage underneath here. There's some cup holders on the side here. It also has access to the radio back here so you don't have to get in and out of the water as much, as well as a cooler. As you can see that's really nice. So follow me into the boat. So here in the cockpit we have a very nice sport arch with a huge bimini top for all your shaded needs. We have the L-shaped seating. There's seating underneath, or storage underneath here. And then there is coolage storage underneath this side. It's really nice. It keeps the cooler out of the sun and out of the way of all the people walking around. Here in the helm, we have these beautiful gauges, as well as a electronic throttle, which is really nice. We have a Rockford Fosgate radio with Bluetooth capability. It has 6 speakers throughout the boat for all your radio and music needs. This backrest here will turn into a lounger for when you're out coving out in the water, and then it'll turn back to a seating when you're going. The head here is a vacuum flush porta potty, which is really nice. It has a sink in there as long as a window. So as we move closer to the bow, there's storage underneath the helm here with 2 tabletops. This is all dry storage. And then here in the bow, we have some more seating as well as some more storage underneath these seats. And then up here in front, we have a boarding ladder in front. So it's really nice to have, as well as a shower head for rinsing off your anchor and people getting out of the muddy water. This was the walkthrough of the 2018 270 SDX. If you have any more questions, please feel free to give me a call. My number is 573-619-3070. Thanks.